Right across the street from Lower Tribeca is this building, Liberty Court, at 200 Rector Place. It's one of the most popular buildings in all of Battery Park City, and this property is my newest listing. It's a 2-bed condo. 5E is functional, friendly, fresh, finished, and fantastic. Thank you for touring my newest listing, 5E, here at Liberty Court with me, David.Rosen. If you'd like to see it in person, please reach out. The Rosen team at Sirhan's. We are the key.